What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I am restocked on the Ethics chesties. I got Ethics chesties, Ethics backpacks, heated lipo bags, transmitter bags, the goggle straps for your fat sharks, or your DJI goggles, or your fucking HD0 goggles, all that good shit. The store has just continued to grow. There's more and more and more and more and more goodies here. All that good shit. Look, 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 look. This whole box is nothing but DJI video transmitters. I've got Vistas and OG air units right here in stock. Polars and O3s are restocking. There'll be more of those coming. All that stuff here, ready to go. This one is all Hoda goodies. Got your 4-way charger with the power supply built in. Separate power supplies if you need them. The F6 4-way charger, the D6 Pros, tons and tons and tons of chargers up in here. All the fucking batteries you can imagine. You know, I've got my own line of batteries with China Hobby line, the greens. Tons and tons and tons of batteries up in here. Thick ass rubber jackets. Made for freestyle. These babies are thick ass rubber jackets made for fighting. These are good batteries right here. All that. I got TBS solder now. TBS Fusion is back in stock. I've got the fucking micro TX2s right here in stock, and the 2-watt radios are coming. I should have more of them by the end of the month. Soldering irons. I've got the TS100. I've got the Secure SQ01. It's like a clone of this one. Soldering iron tips, all that good stuff. Frames over here. Those are those Ethics straps and Ethics lanyards and goggle straps. And then frames. I've got Apex frames, the Impulse RC Apex, Apex Evo, Apex DC, Apex HD. Harmattan marmots, this is my favorite frame. Arms for your Apexes, and I think there's even another Source 1 in here somewhere. All this good shit at flyhighfpv.com. All your Crossfire, Tracer, ELRS needs. I've got Radio Master boxers in stock. Tango 2s are in stock. Radio Master Pocket is in stock. T-Motor motors, T-Motor stacks, electronics. These are my favorites. I really like the F7 and the V45. That's my combo. All that goodness. Stay high batteries, more LEDs than any man should possibly have in one place. Tool sets. Man, I got everything you fucking need. Flyhighfpv.com, dude. I am just building this thing up, making it for you guys, whatever you want. I'm putting it in the store. You let me know. I got you. Fly high.